So, good evening, students. Today we are going to discuss about party system. You have seen that in different countries, in America there is two political parties. In India, you will see many political parties, and in England you will see two political parties. In China, only one party. In Russia, only one party. So party system depends on it where there is one party or two party. So this is called party system. Example I have given you. There are three types of party system. One party system, two party system, and multi-party system. In one party system, example is Russia, China, there is only one political party, and that party play the role of opposition and the ruling party. So in China, there is one merit and one demerits. Of many demerits, but merits, the government will be, merit of one party system is that the government will be stable. Because there is only one party, all supports are only one party, but you can criticize that this is not democratic, because how can people oppose the government's policy? So this party system is not perfect. Now we will discuss about two party system. In two party system, example first America. In America there is two party, Democratic Party and Republican Party. And Britain there is two party, there is Labour Party and Conservative Party. So these two parties, this is good because one party makes government and another party sits in opposition. Next term will be of opposition, but this is also criticized that here is only one party, one option. This is also stable. Government can take decision firmly. Government can fulfill its all policies, but we can criticize that there is only one option. And now we will go in India. In India there is multi-party system, and multi-party system means many political party. You will read that 6 national political parties and near about 750 political parties. So you will see that in favor you can say that this party system is good because people have many options. People can criticize the government in many ways, but we can criticize this government that government is not stable. The government cannot fulfill its all desires. So this party system, multi-party system, is also many demerits, but it is very democratic. It is, people have so many options. And in India, why there is a multi-party system? Because India has diverse situation, its geographical condition, all these have favored India for multi-party system. That's all. This is also very important question. What is party system and types of party system? And now you will have to read about the types of political party. Then you have to read about there are two types of political party: national political party and regional political party. You can say also a state political party. National political party thinks for the whole country. It has broad, it thinks about whole country, so it's a broad policy. But regional party think about their area, So it has narrow policy. The National Party thinks for the whole country, like Bhaspa, Congress, Communist Party of India. But this party in India, you can see Rajad in Jammu Kashmir National Front. So now today you will also read what is party system, types of party system, and types of political party, that is national political party and regional political party. So now after that we have to read about the challenges of political party. What are challenges? We have 4 challenges. How can we reform political party? How can political party be reformed? What are the 2 bases to reform political party? So these questions, what are suggestions to reform political party, we will read in my next class. Thank you, my students.